Hi, I'm Steve Miller with Gatewell Hamilton Associates, and this is your Maintenance Tip Minute. When you're changing filters, that's the perfect time to check your belts and bearings too. A broken or slipping belt can cause unexpected failures, reduce airflow, or even shut your unit down. Loose belts not only reduce performance, they can cause wear on bearings and other components. Check your bearings for signs of wear or overheating. And if they're not sealed, make sure they're lubricated with the right product, not just whatever's on the shelf. While you're in the unit, clear out any leaves, dirt, or debris inside and around the base. Housekeeping matters, especially when debris blocks airflow or builds up near moving parts. A few extra checks now can save you a service call later. I'm Steve Miller. Thanks for watching this Maintenance Tip Minute. GHA, practical expertise, trusted partners, hands-on support for hands-on professionals.